Welcome to today's episode of the EV Stock Pre-Market Report. Let's dive into the electric vehicle sector and analyze the performance and surge signal numbers for the upcoming trading session. Starting with Tesla, the stock showed a modest increase of 0.3% yesterday. For today's session, watch for upward surge signals at 238.95 and downward signals at 228.1. NIO experienced a slight decrease of 0.07%. Keep an eye on upward surge signals at 7.51 and downward at 7.26. Lucid saw a decrease of 0.7%. Today's surge signals are upward at 4.33 and downward at 4.16. Rivian, on the other hand, gained 1.89%. Its surge signals are set at 17 for upward and 16.35 for downward. Mullen Automotive had a significant jump of 9.66%. Look for upward surge signals at 0.2 and downward at 0.18. Nikola increased by 1.96%, with upward surge signals at 1.06 and downward at 1.01. Li Auto rose by 4.97%, with upward surge signals at 41.51 and downward at 40.28. Xpeng increased by 3.07%. Watch for upward surge signals at 17.03 and downward at 16.56. ChargePoint experienced a dramatic drop of 35.46%. Its surge signals are upward at 2.11 and downward at 1.94. Canoo surged by 15.96%, with upward surge signals at 0.31 and downward at 0.28. Polestar Automotive increased by 1.46%, with surge signals at 2.12 upward and 2.04 downward. Microvision saw an increase of 4.74%. Its surge signals are upward at 2.5 and downward at 2.32. Palantir increased by 3.69%, with upward surge signals at 20.83 and downward at 19.91. Fisker experienced a significant drop of 13.52%. Watch for upward surge signals at 2.73 and downward at 2.27. Stellantis gained 1.56%, with surge signals at 20.3 upward and 20.1 downward. Blink Charging dropped by 7.57%. Its surge signals are upward at 4.12 and downward at 3.64. EVgo decreased by 1.99%, with surge signals at 3.11 upward and 2.73 downward. Fuel Cell Energy saw a slight increase of 0.41%. Its surge signals are upward at 1.27 and downward at 1.16. Lastly, Workhorse Group decreased by 1.6%, with upward surge signals at 0.38 and downward at 0.36. That wraps up today's pre-market report. Remember to subscribe to our channel for updates throughout the day on all these EV stocks. Stay tuned for more insights and happy trading.